my first attempt to try to get into my car with all the bugs on them. Damn it. Why did that have to be my car?
There's so many bugs.
Oh my god. Okay.
You can do it, Ioana.
Oh my god. I can do it, right?
You can do it.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, she did it. Ew, they're all still on top, like they're not going anywhere. That's disgusting. She's attempting to get the bugs off of her car. If you can see, all those bugs are still on top of the car. None of them went anywhere. So all her crazy driving was for nothing.
Oh my god, it's on me!
Go, go! Oh my god, there's so many. Ioana, please leave.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I can't do anything to get off them!
Dude, don't open this. They're all still up there. Oh my god. Did we break something?
Probably from the screaming.
Oh my god, look at them. Turn on your windshield wipers.
No, I don't want to give stuff.
Oh, how do I stop recording?